Hey, don't kick that rock. It shook.
Did?
Yeah.
Sir, get off of it.
Don't kick it, Lane. I prefer you not to get on it.
It's not the worst.
No,
George,
Lane.
take off the piece.
I'm gonna hate to take your phone away from you and like take the swing away.
I don't have a phone.
Your swing,
And my phone?
your phone. You don't have a phone. Don't destroy mommy's plants. Sarah, tell him. Tell him.
Hey. Door! Hey. Julia, look. That's crazy.
You'll be doing laundry in a little while. How's that? Lane, quit. Now go get in the water and rinse off. Get all that mud off you. Go. Sounds Walter. Oh, not a whole lot. Same old thing. Just another day. What are you doing, sir? Yeah, you know. Hey, Sarah, go rinse off. Get out of the mud. Quit. Sarah. Joey. Go. Hey. Don't bring that water over here where it gets muddy.
Well, I'm gonna go through where it's wet.
No.
Gotta do worse.
Like on the edge over there. That's enough. Knucklehead.
Sir, move. Not my turn, Daddy.
Your turn.
Yeah,
To do what?
I think.
Oh, yeah?
I think so. Hey, Dada.
Hey, what?
Look, hey, Mama. As long as it doesn't get y'all wet, it's okay.
Hey, Lane. No. That's...
Daddy.
Alright, turn it off. I thought we had a long talk about you listening the other day. Huh? Remember something about taking your Xbox away for like a week or two? You remember that?
Yeah.
Who gets it? Me. It goes right into my safe. Not even your daddy can get it. Can't go back.
Actually, that's your mom. My dad didn't buy it.
It doesn't matter.
No, the mom.
I pay the electricity that runs that thing.
It's your dad's house. You can take it out of his house.
Oh, did you smash your finger? Oh. What? Come here. Go, hey, Lang, why don't you turn the water off? Go get dry clothes on. Turn the water off, sir. Yeah. Boy. Lane. Lane. I'm going to count to 3, okay? I'm going to go get your Xbox right about now. Turn it off. Turn it off. Lane. Now go get these clothes and go hang these clothes up and go change. Go. Uh-uh. You're going to ruin the bottom of those. Turn the water off. Sarah. She's listening right behind you. Go turn the water off, please. Turn it off real tight. Turn off the timer too. Take a Phillips screwdriver. Was that take a Phillips screwdriver?